नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्. We were saying Namo Hraswadaji Namo Nityam. What is the meaning of this sutra?
When Namaha follows Hrasvaswara, and in turn that is followed by Ach Pratyaya, then Namut Agama comes there before the Ach. The Ach is the Sthani in this case.
Anybody?
If Rasva followed by the no,
Padantagama.
If the Rasva followed by the Padanta Namaha, again followed by the Ach, the Namut or Namut Agama will come. Ach is the Sthani, and Namo is in Panchamai. Achi from Saptami it changes to Shashti, even though it is an Nimitta.
Well, it is not, Nam is not following Hrasva. Hrasva followed by Nam, Nam followed by Ach. That we have to remember. Because Nam should be preceded by Hrasva and followed by Ach. That way we can say, but not this way. Nam is followed by Hrasva, Hrasva is followed by Nam, Ach, not that way. Okay. Did we start this sutra? Samasuti?
No.
Okay, before that, let us see Kharavasanayor Visarjaniyah. Kharavasanayor Visarjaniyah. Kar Avasanayoho. Two shabdas are there in this. Visarjaniyah. Khari Avasanecha. Khari and Avasane is in which vibhakti?
Saptami.
Saptami. So Saptami should be?
Nimitta.
Nimitta. Cha Padantasya Refasya. Padanta Refa is what?
Sthani.
Padanta Refa is Sthani. Visargaha. Visargaha is what?
Adesha.
Adesha. Whatever is remaining, that is Adesha. When Padanta Refa, when it is followed by Khar Pratyahara, or if it is Avasana, Avasana means at the end, after that there is nothing, then that Padanta Refa will change into Visarga. This Anuswara and Visarga both are not there in the Maheshwara Sutrani. So in Sanskrit we consider the letters those which are there in the Maheshwara Sutrani only. Whatever is there in Maheshwara Sutrani, we consider it as a pramana. If it is not there, then we don't take that letter. Then question may come with Anuswara and Visarga, they are not there in the Maheshwara Sutrani. Though it is not there in the Maheshwara Sutrani, still they are considered as a Varna. They are called Ayoga Vaha. Because here Visarga Shabda has come, no? So that's why they have mentioned Ayoga Vaha. In Refa, two kinds of refas are there. Shuddha Refa roho refa. Shuddha refa means this kind of rakara is Shuddha refa. Rakara or refa, both are same meaning. Rakara is something and refa is something. Not that. There is no difference between rakara and refa. Rakara itself is called refa. So in many places they won't use rakara. Instead of rakara, they use refa. So Shuddha refa means this kind of rakara is called Shuddha refa. And roho refa. Roho means rukaras shashti ekavachanam is roho. So what kind of rukara it is? Anunasika rukara. This anunasika rukara, when it gets itsanya by upadesha ajanunasika it, that ukara will get lopa by tasya lopaha, then refa will remain. So this is also refa and this is also refa. Both are refa only. But there is a prayojanam of both. We'll see that. And both are called refa only. But specifically, if we want to know, then Shuddha refa and Roho refa. But in general, both are called refa only. So if we split it into two, Khari pare sati padantasya refasya visargaha syat. This is one. Avasane pare sati padantasya refasya visargaha syat. So padanta refa, when it is followed by khar pratyahara, that refa will be changed into visarga. That is one point. Second point is padanta refa, if it is at the end, then also that refa will change into visarga. Here karavasanayoho is there, na? That samasa has given kharcha avasanancha karavasane tayoho karavasanayoho parayoho satu. So example, Rama is the Shabda. If we want to make Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Rama, then Rama Pratyaya is Supratyaya. It is Su. Su will be, this Su is also Anunasika Ukara. What will remain here?
Sakara.
Sakara. Then anybody remember what will happen to this Sakara? Sakara will change into Rukara by Saso Jusho Ruhu. By this sutra, this Sakara will change into Rukara. We'll see this in Visarga Sandhis. Then in this Rukara, what will remain?
Rakara.
Now, if we make it together, this is Ramar. Ramar is Padanta or not?
It is Padanta.
Yes, because of Su.
Padanta. Padanta refa. Avasane, this one we have to take. Avasane pare sati padanta refasya visargah syad. It is padanta. This padanta refa is at the end. Then that refa will change into visarga. Ramaha. This is the form for avasane parisati padantasya refasya visargah syat. For that. Oh, they have not given any examples. Let us see for khar. They have given punar karoti. Even Ramaha gacchati also we can take, but they have given, we'll take punar plus karoti. This is khar. Punar refa is followed by khar pratyahara. Then that refa will change into visarga. Punaha karoti. This is when it is followed by khar pratyahara. Padanta refa, when it is followed by khar pratyahara, then that refa will change into visarga. Punaha karoti. Here also we can do this visarga by kharavasana or visarjaniha, since gakara is there, which is khar. These two examples are clear?
Ramo gacchati. Okara belongs to visarga. How it will come?
Up to this is clear?
Yes.
Anybody?
Yes,
So now there is a question. Here, what is the difference between this refa and this refa? If there is no difference, then why they have to mention Shuddha refa and Roho refaha? Even Panini Maharshiji, why he had to mention two kinds of refas? There is a question. So there is one sutra where Atorora Pluta Daplute. In that sutra says Rukara will change into Ukara. This Ramar, after Ramar, we had gone up to here. So this Rukara will change into Ukara. Then Ukara will change into Okara by Hashicha. There are two steps. So when this Rukara is there, then only it will change into Ukara. This Punar is not the Anunasika Rukara. This Punar here, it will not change into Ukara. Also Pratar is also not the Anunasika Rukara. that also won't change into ukara. So when we have to write pratar gachati, so here also refa is there, but that refa did not change into ukara. Ukara did not change into okara because it is not the rukara refa. This refa is shuddha refa, not roho refa. That is the difference. Is that clear, or shall I write?
Please write it, Purnaji.
Okay. We have come up to here, na? I'll take from here. Rama Ru is there. Gachati is there. Now this Rukara is Anunasika Rukara. So this Rukara will, Ukara will eliminated and Refa will remain. Rama will take Ramar plus Gachati. Now there is one sutra. Sutra name is Atorora Plutad Aplute. What is Apluta and all, we'll see when that sutra comes. It will come. It will come in Visarga Sandhi. So when we come to that, we will see. So that sutra says, this Rukara Refa, Roho Refa, that we know, this Refa, which is not Shuddha Refa, this is Anunasika Refa. That kind of Refa will change into Ukara. Rama U plus Gachati. And there is another sutra. This Ukara will change into Okara. I think Purvarupa, another sutra might have come here, Purvarupa. By that, Ramo Gachati. This way, this Rukara will have some other prayojanam. That's why they have mentioned it separately. When it comes to the Pratar Gachati, here Pratar is the Shabda. This Pratar itself is the Shabda. It has not, this Refa has not come through the Rukara. Ru. It is not Anunasika Rukara. This is it has there with Pratar Shabda. So this is Shuddha Refa. Now this Refa will not change into Ukara. It will not change into Okara. If we don't want to do Sandhi here, what happens is Pratar Gachati. Pratar Gachati, this way form will be there. Is this clear?
Listen.
There is some Vartika here. Sampunkanam so vaktavyaha Vartikam. Sam and Pum, if it is there, then after that, if there is a Refa, either it can be Rukara or it can be Shuddha Refa. it will not change into visarga. Instead of visarga, it will be replaced by sakara. So the example is samskarta for that. Sam is there. Kru is there. Actually, we have to go to samasuti so that what is the form we will have from that. Samahasuti, samasuti, samaha ruhu suti. What is the vibhakti of samaha?
Panchami.
What is the suti?
Saptami.
Saptami.
What is the ruhu?
Prathama.
Prathama. What is required?
Shashti.
Samaha is shashti, sthani. Samaha suti ruhu syat. In the place of sam, when it is followed by sut pratyahara or sut agama, then rukara will come. So first we need sut also. So for sut, this samparibhyam karoto bhushane. By this sutra, sut agama will come. Actually, this is a big process. Let us see from here. But sutra meaning is this. In the place of sam, ru will come when it is followed by sut. But to come to this, there are too many other sutras are there. Dukrun karane is the dhatu. Dukrun is the dhatu. So we all are familiar with the dukrun. In this dukrun, what happened to this nakara? This nakara.
Halantyam tasya.
Halantyam and then tasya lopa.
Halantyam tasya lopaha. Then do and kru will remain. So this ukara either ucharana sthana ucharanartham or upadesha ajarnasika it. By that ukara will get lopa. Dakara has to get lopa. Adir ni tu davaha. By that sutra, this dakara also gets lopa. Adir ni tu davaha. Then what will remain?
Kru.
Kru.
Kru dhatu will remain. So we don't need this trich pratyaya for now, but in the laghusiddhantakaumudi vritti, they have given samskarta. For that ta, they have added trich pratyaya. So nval tricha, by that sutra, trich pratyaya comes. Sam upasarga purvak kru dhatu trich pratyaya. Trich pratyaya in this thru will remain. Chakara will get lopa by halantyam. Some, kru, through. This kru will change into kar. That is not required in our process, but to come to that form, all these steps, if we go through it, then it will be easy. Sarvadhatuka ardhadhatikayoho. By that sutra, guna will happen, kru will change into kar. Then now, samparibhyam karotau bhushane. This some is not the any kind of meaning. Some is the sense of bhushana artha. Means here we are taking this some is in the sense of alankara. Making very well. In that kind of meaning, we are taking this some. Some pari purvasya. करोतेः सुट् स्यात् भूषणे संघाते च अर्थे. Some are pari. If it is there, after that, if there is a kru dhatu, then sut agama will come in two kinds of meanings, bhushana artha, sanghata artha. In these two kinds of meanings, sut agama will come. So this is some upasarga, and after that there is kru dhatu, then sut agama has come in between. Now, some is there. In the sut, what will remain is sakara will remain. Kar is there as it is, through is there as it is. So we don't need all these points. Now, samasuti. Here we need this sutra, current sutra. Some upasarga, when it is followed by sut pratyahara, then this some will be replaced by rukara. Then whole sum will be replaced by rukara. Sthani is some, right? In the place of some, we have to replace rukara. Which one we have to replace rukara?
Makara. Only the last.
Why? Why
only
not?
for the anta. For the anta, it will be. Only for the anta letter.
What is the sutra?
Alontyasya.
Alontyasya. By that sutra, in the place of makara, we are bringing rukara. Sa, ru, sa, kar, through. This is the form we have now. Here, another two sutras are there. Atra anunasika purvasya tuva anunasikat paronu swaraha. These two sutras, here it is there. So this is the form we got here. Up to this point we have come. Again, here stopped with kru only, not continued with the kar. Okay, let us. We came up to sa and ru, sa, kru. So in the place of makara, rukara, we have replaced by samasuti. Now, atranunasikaha purvasya tuva, atranunasikaha purvasya tuva. Let us see the vritti first. Atra ru prakarane. This we can keep aside. Roho purvasya anunasikaha va. Vikalpena, optionally, roho purvasya, before refa, anunasika will come. Before refa means sa ru is there. Here, if we split sa, a, ru. Before refa, there is akara. In the place of this akara, what will come? Anunasika will come. So akara's anunasika is what? No, is anuswara. Anunasika is this nasal form. Akara's anunasika is this akara, Chandra Bindu. So this akara is different and this akara is different, but both are savarnis. In the place of this akara, we are bringing anunasika akara. So sa, a, ru, I'll bring this down. Sa, a, ru. This is the situation. Before refa, if there is whatever is there, it will get anunasika optionally. So this before refa akara is there, that akara is getting anunasika akara. So we replaced this akara with anunasika akara. Sa, a, ru, sa, kru. This is the form we got with this sutra. Sa, ru, sa, kru. Is this sutra clear? Is this explanation clear? Atra ru prakarane. What this means is in Ashtadhyayi Matuvaso ru sambuddhau iti Matuvaso ru sambuddhau. This sutra onwards, this Rutva Prakarana will start. From here, Rutva Prakarana start. Atra anunasikaha purvasyatu va. This is what we are seeing, this sutra. Just previous sutra is Matuvasoru Sambuddhau Chandasi. From there onwards, this Rutva Prakarana has started. So from here, there are some sutras under this Rutva Prakarana. Roho Supi, I think up to this, Roho Supi, up to this sutra, Rutva Prakarana, this is called Rutva Prakarana. So starting from Matuvasoru Sambuddhau Chandasi up to Roho Supi. These all are comes under Rutva Prakarana. So here it says Atra Ru Prakarane. Ru Prakarane means Rutva Prakarane. So in all these sutras, whatever sutras are there from Matuvasoru Sambuddha and Roho Supi, all these sutras comes under Rutva Prakarana. Roho Purvasya Anunasikova. In all these sutras, wherever this refa is there. Before that refa, anunasika will come optionally. So here also this refa is there. Before refa, there is anunasika has come. मत्वसोरु सम्बुद्धौ इति ऋत्वविधि अनन्तरम् इदं पठितम् अतः अत्र इति अनेन रूप्रकरणे इत्यर्थः गम्यते. We have to understand that in रूप्रकरण. Is this sutra clear? Can I go to next sutra?
Why is there a two there?
To where?
The sutra.
I will let you know that. I don't see any explanation here. Here Kashikakar also mentioned this two only. There's no explanation for that. Purvasya tu varnasya. I will let you know that point. Okay, any other doubt? It is not there in Vritti also. It is there only in Sutra. Okay. Any other doubt?
Punaji, in the next step there, the Chandrabindu, in that last step after that gets combined. It becomes some. Got it.
Here.
Understood. There.
Okay, now this is optional. This sutra is optional. If we don't apply this sutra, means if we don't make it that akara as anunasika akara, then another sutra comes. What we have to do there? Anunasikat paronuswaraha. Anunasikat paronuswaraha. This sutra says, anunasikam vihaya. Roho purvasmat paraha anuswara agamaha. Let us see this Kashikakara's vritti so that we can understand this, because there are some adhyahara should be required. Anya shabdaha atra adhyahartavyaha. So we have to understand Anya shabda. Means Anya shabda means we got this form with nasal akara, and this is optional. So Anya shabda means without nasal form. Without nasal form is this. Without nasal form is this. Anya shabda means this. without applicable the previous sutra. Atra adhyahartavyaha tad apekshaya cha iyam anunasikat iti panchami. So here anunasikat is in panchami. Here anunasikam vihaya ante means in previous sutra we have taken anunasika. So leaving that roho purvasmat paraha anuswara agamaha. Before refa purvasmat paraha means before refa what is there? Here before rakara what is there?
Akara.
Akara. After this akara, before refa, whatever is there, after that, anuswara agama comes. Anuswara comes as agama. Agama will come and sit with that letter. It will not replaced. So that's why this refa, before refa, whatever letter is there, after that anuswara will come. So before refa, akara is there. After that, there is anuswara. Is that clear? I'll explain again. Anunasikam vihaya. Anunasikam vihaya means previous form we have to leave. The optional form, whatever is remaining without applicable, without the application of the anuswara, and not anuswara, anunasika. So this is without applying anunasika. Roho purvasmat. Roho means ru. This ru. Purvasmat, previous letter. Previous letter is the nimitta. Panchami, that is in nimitta. Previous letter is akara. Paraha. Para of what? Purvasmat paraha. Whatever is in Panchami, after that, paraha, anuswaraha agamaha. After this akara, this anuswara should come as agama. Is it clear? Sa, a, anuswara and ru. If we add kru. Sa and kru, both should be there. Let it be without that. Sa, a, anuswara, ru. If we want, we can add this also. Then we get two kinds of forms. Sa with anunasika akara and with anuswara akara. Both forms we got. Now rukara is there. Rukara we got by which sutra?
Samasuti.
Samasuti. This sakara we got by what? What agama happened? How this sakara has come here?
Because of kru dhatu, some upasarga, sut agama happens.
Sut agama. This sakara belongs to sut sakara. This is sut sakara. Then kru dhatu is there. Now, remember this form, I'll go back and I'll finish this sutra. Up to here, we got sakara, anunasika, sakara, anuswara, sakara. Then sa. This sakara is Okay, we have to go here. Anunasika sakara, anuswara sakara. We got so far. And refa is there. Rutva has changed into refa. Sa is there. Sutsa. This is kru and thru. Nothing to do with us. Now this refa should not change into visarga. After refa, there is kar pratyahara. This sakara belongs to kar, but still it should not change into refa, visarga. Why it should not change into visarga? It's supposed to change into visarga, right?
Only at the end it is supposed to? If it is the end of the Padanta.
No, it is not avasana, it is kar is there. After refa, there is kar also. If there is kar, then we have to change this.
Ras Padantasya Refa.
There is no padanta is required in Karavasana or Visarjaniyaha. They did not say padanta. Khar avasani pare refaha. Did they give? Khari pare satva droho visarjaniyatve. No. If I read that, answer will come.
The vritti says padantasya refasya visarga.
Padantasya refasya. Okay, here still it will be padanta only, because this sum is pada. How it is pada, we have seen that all upasargas are avyayas. All avyayas are called pada, because to make it avyaya, they will add supratyaya and will get lopa. We may not see that supratyaya, but it is there supratyaya. So this refa, this rakara is padanta rakara only when it is added with some. Now okay, I'll Sampunkana so vaktavyaha. In Karavasana or Visarjaniyaha, there is a Vartika. For that Vartika only all these sutras has come. Sampunkanam so vaktavyaha. That Vartika says, after some, if there is a refa, then that refa will not change into Visarga, it will change into Sakara. That's what it says. That Vartika. Because of that Vartika, we have changed into Sakara. Refa to Sakara. Some, Refa, Sakar, Kru. These are the forms we have got. Now, Samskartru. This is the form. This Trich Pratyaya will change into Ta. How it has changed, that process all given, but we don't need. We need is Samskarta. This form we need. The final form is this one. Samskarta or Samskarta. If we apply Anunasika, then this will be the form. If we don't apply Anunasika, then Anuswara will come. If any doubts are there, then we'll see in next class. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah.